Hi friends, today we are going to talk about yet another water infrastructure related company. Earlier we had talked about KYC, Know Your Company of Ion Exchange, and today we are going to talk about KYC, Know Your Company of Thermax Limited. We are going to see what are the different product portfolios Thermax Limited deals with, and under each of this product portfolio, what are the products or solution it actually caters to, and then finally the revenue breakup. Then finally, of course, if you're interested to know the valuations and whether it is suitable buy or sell decision for Thermax Limited, you can contact me by writing the discussion box or the comment box down below, and I'll be glad to reach out to you so that we can discuss the various techniques which we can use to identify the valuation, to determine the valuations of Thermax Limited and decide whether we have to buy or sell Thermax Limited today. So if you have not clicked the subscribe button, please hit the subscribe button so that people get educated about the water infrastructure company and how much crucial water is, being a scarce resource in our nation. So please subscribe and share to as many people as possible. So getting back to the video, getting back to knowing your company, that is Thermax Limited. So Thermax Limited deals with energy segment, it deals with environmental segment, and then finally it deals with chemical segment. Each of this segment, that is the first segment that is called as the energy segment. As you understand the word energy, you quickly recollect electricity to your house, right? So it provides equipment, solar equipment, so that it can tap into the sun rays and deliver power to your houses. And then it has power equipment, right? They provide devices and solutions or processes to power generation plants. They themselves have installed capacity base of around 3,500 megawatts of power. So they deal with power equipment so that they deliver these power equipment and devices to power generation plants so that you can receive electricity to your house. And then it has chillers and boilers as well, which delivers to like transportation companies or steel and cement majors, and then also FMCG majors as well, so that these equipments are used so that they can sterilize the food, they can cook the food as well using the steam, and then finally becoming safe for our consumption. So these are the various products and solutions it offers under the energy segment. Now, having considered all these product and services under the energy segment, its total revenue which it achieves from energy segment alone is about 71%. The second segment, which is dealing with environmental category, when it says environmental category, it deals with cleaning or air pollution control equipments as well. It also deals with water control, water treatment, wastewater treatment equipments as well. As you know, wastewater has to be treated so that we don't end up depleting the fresh water which is available across the globe or in our country for that matter. As you know, only 50% of the water is actually safe for our consumption, and the remaining 50% is actually contaminated due to various reasons like ingress of the saline water or due to the various toxins released by the chemical industries, or for whatever reason the toxin may be present by itself in some of the freshwater reservoirs due to various development which is happening in our nation. And also these various lakes and ponds have got depleted because of encroachment due to various development activities happening in our nation, or for any other reason what it might be. So having said that, when it comes to the environmental area, as we have also already seen, it has equipment to control air pollution. It has equipment to recycle wastewater. It has equipment to provide solutions to industries and factories so that they can have a zero liquid discharge, so that they can avoid as much possible the use of water for using in their facilities. So this will conserve water, fresh water as much required. And then due to its wastewater facilities, whichever it has, or wastewater solutions that it has, it treats the wastewater and then recycles back to the industries and factories so that they can use for the same purpose what it was using anyway. So having said that these are the various processes and equipment when it comes to the environmental area, let us see what it has under the chemical segment. Chemical segment contributes around 9% of the revenue. And when you say 9% of the revenue, it generates this 9% of the revenue by selling chemicals to various industries and factories, FMCG, chemical, steel plants as well. So what are the type of chemicals? Of course, resins to do the ion exchange method so that water is treated. And then for various chemical processes as well, it may need specialty chemicals which are required by different industries for which it delivers those particular compounds or chemical specialties. So these are the specialization of Thermax Limited. And then finally, when we get to valuation, as I mentioned in the start of the video, if you're interested to know the valuation of Thermax Limited, buy or sell decision, whatever it might be, and a comparative analysis with respect to other companies like Vatek, Bag, Ion Exchange, and Thermax Limited by itself, to do a comparative analysis which are the within the company which you can go ahead and invest. You can write down in the discussion box in the comment section, and I'll be glad to reaching out to you on your email ID or on your contact number so that we can discuss mutually and see how you can benefit the most out of my 10 years of investing experience, a long-term investing experience. So see you in my discussion, and please subscribe so that you can access or watch all my subsequent videos as well, and kindly share this video to as many people as you think is possible so that they can gain understanding about water scarcity and the companies which help for a purpose, that is to preserve water and to help the environment under control, keep it under control and provide energy to your houses. See you.